Your water purveyor tests the water repeatedly to make sure that you have the pure, safe, clean drinking water at your tap. You can compromise that through a backflow incident. Backflow is water moving back to your house to the water main instead of from the water main to your house.
During blowout season, we want to make sure that every house has backflow prevention in place. AVBs on their hose bibs or your double checks on your irrigation system.
You can usually find those in an irrigation box outside your home or perhaps on a hose bib. It's there to protect you and your family. Backflow devices allow water to flow in one direction and keeps the bad things out of your drinking water. You could be filling your hot tub, fountain, or perhaps your kiddie pool. Maybe the dogs get in that as much as the kids do. That's not the type of water you want to drink. If you hook a high volume compressor to your irrigation system, you can push that water that's in your irrigation lines back into your house really easily.
Call your water purveyor or IWAC or your irrigation specialist. They can come out and help you locate your backflow devices and make sure they're tested and working properly.
We want to keep ourselves safe, our community safe, our neighborhood safe.